So this is the program to display fire and help using the 7 segment kit. We are giving this kit for this particular program. This is the power supply. Here we have shorted all the wires. This is the power supply. Here the black wire is grounded and the rest 3 wires are shorted with it as it is of no use. The blue wire is taken for plus 5 volts, as we can see over here, plus 5 volts. Because the particular IC can stand only this much, if we give a voltage of plus 12 volt, the IC will get burnt. Here the blue wire, as we can see over here, 5 volt is given and ground for the black one. Looking at this wire system, we have to connect it to the power supply and the PCI bus as it should be. Now we come to the program. In the program, first we have defined each and every port its number with a variable. This is the port number of this particular kit. It has totally 4 ports. As of now we are only using 3 ports for this particular program. Port A address will be this, port B address will be this, port C address will be this. Okay, and this address can be calculated by a particular command through the CMD. Here is the data that we are supposed to display. The fires, this is the code that you need to display for fire, and for help, this is the code. It means that any variable you can replace over here, that will get displayed in the particular 7 segment, but this is the code to display this particular message. Now as we come down, we follow the normal procedure, substituting first fire to the computers. The DX will hold now fire. Now the address will hold as a fire. Now we are calling the display, so the pointer will move to the display function. Here the IP address of this next instruction will get stored in the stack, and the IP address will store this value. Stack. Here comes the display. Here is the procedure we used to show the delay function. Here we are pushing the address, and then supposedly using all the particular functions, we are porting all the address to the stack of this. By this function, we this is the particular procedure we need to print fire and help in a particular 7 segment. Moving on, we type masm, your file name .asm semicolon, then link your file name .obj, then the allow exe using your own port address, and then just your file name. As I press the file name, you can see it's flashing fire and help, fire and help, fire and help. This will continue on till the time we give another key input or a delay interrupt from our own keyboard.